Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to have a look today at the Krazy Good charging power box and have a look, see what it comes with, and I'm going to give you some information and watch to the end because we're going to have a look and show you how to change the inserts from one to another. So let's stop messing about and get cracked on. The Krazy Good Box, what is it? It is what it is behind me. It's a charging power box that you can have on your station that requires just one plug that can charge up to 6 machines at a time. Yeah, you heard me correct, 6 machines in one plug. The great thing is that it's customizable to your liking as far as the colour scheme. So you can pick the colour of the box, the trim, and even the inserts. It's a lovely touch because let's face it, who doesn't like customizable items? The power box that I actually have is the 6 Cityscape. It holds 6 clippers at a time, but it doesn't have to be just clippers. It can take trimmers and even foils. There's also other versions as well. So you've got the 4 box that holds 4 clippers or trimmers, and that's the main straight, and that has 4 inserts. There's the Power Box 3, and that's called the side straight, and there's also a box and it's called the 6 City Lights that's got the LED lights on the inside that illuminates, so that's really cool. I'm not going to list all of the machines that it holds, but these are just a few, and bear in mind this is just the clippers. Like I say, there's trimmers, and if you go across to Krazy Good, you can go have a look and it'll tell you exactly what it is. So there's the Andis Master, the Babyliss FX2, the Babyliss FX3, the Low Pro FX, the Caliber 50 Cal BMG, the Gamma Stylecraft Absolute Alpha, the Gamma Stylecraft
Ergo and X-Ergo, the Mythic, the Stylecraft Rebel, the Sabre, there's the JRL 2020C, the Wall Magic Clip, but that's the 5-volt grey plug, the Wall Senior 5-volt grey plug, and that's just the clippers. So
there's plenty there for the majority of people who have clippers that it'd be absolutely fine for. Power box negatives, is there any? There is actually a couple that I've noticed, and the first thing is the finish of the box. The actual box itself feels really nice, not flimsy whatsoever, but it is a tad rough around edges. There is a few stray bits of plastic what could have been nicely cleaned up, so it just needed polishing a little bit just to give it a really nice finish. The second thing is I do have the insert for the absolute hitter, and it is a bit of a pig to get inserted into. I'm not going to lie, you do have to mess about with it. Now I don't know if that's just mine. It is something that I will reach out to Krazy Good and see if it is that. So not much to complain about, and there's a hell of a lot of positives. Anyway, I'm going to leave you now with a little video just on how to take the insert out and re-clip a new one so you can change it over to whatever you want inside that box. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and all the good stuff. Leave any comments down below and I'll catch you in the next one. So this is just a little video on how to change the inserts. So this is actually one of the inserts, and it just has like an AC adapter connection. So you get a little screwdriver with the actual box, and in each corner there's a little lip where you can get under with the screwdriver, and just if you pop it up, run the screwdriver across, and then you'll just pop it and it just pops straight out. There's the connector, so all you do is just literally pull that apart. They couldn't have made it any easier if they'd have tried. Get the new insert, clip it together, and that is literally it. Then all you need to do is pop the insert back into the slot. It can be a little bit of a struggle, but not bad at all. And then you literally get the end of the screwdriver at the bottom, just push it down with a little bit of pressure, it will just pop in, and that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this. It was a little clip at the end just to show you how easy it was, and I'll catch you next one.